I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Today also I'm at the Kesaria shop. You want to see? Just at my background you can see here. One of the customers are standing over there. One of the customers are discussing about their purchase. And here the men collections are, they are aligning their this collections. And here one is a trolley with online orders here, and the executives are trying to find out what all the collections they have taken, and here of the few collections which is taken for the online from the orders. This is a standard. You can see here the empty trolley over here. This is all the process of the textile manufacturers, and here the executives all are busy with their works. So let's come on to our products visible. Today I'm going to take you to the only your friend, huh? See, one girl is standing over here. Hey, how are you? See, we'll see. I'm going to take you to the Western wear collections. Every day wearing a sari, every day wearing a chudidar. My cameraman also says, Akka, what? Sari. Today I thought, and the rainy season has been started. In this rainy season, I want to freely walk around and I want to do the videos. So today I'm going to take you to all the Western wear one-piece collections. These collections you can buy at factory price, which starts from only 179 rupees. And today, let's see if you're a German customer, Singapore, Malaysia, US, Canada. Yes, we do have online services. You can do from there, do video calling purchase. There is a sea services, cargo services. You have a smooth products where you can get these collections, and every product we do have a lovely color charts with the one piece designs, all these varieties at new unique styles based on your skin tone, dusky tone, dark colors. Hey, come on, all are having a beautiful, God has created us. Every color tones having a Western wear varieties. Today I'm going to take you to the only Western wear of one piece varieties. Keep watching this video. Today I'm going to show you around 235 to 500 rupees of cost collections. These collections are especially in the metro cities. Youngsters, college girls are having a heavy demand at. For the resellers, these collections having a huge demand plus multiple profit. So subscribe the channel. You can do online purchase. Pan India COD options are available from Indian currency amount. If you are out of India, PR visa settled, you can purchase from Indian currency of 1 lakh rupees. You can buy some saris, you can buy some ready-made chudidars, you can buy some t-shirts and one piece, all these varieties. So let's have a look. First pattern, the beautiful variety with the black. Every girl, they like black. And this black simple sober with the beads, flat beads as being buttons which is given here with the wood blades. And here is the button, and there is a lining also. You have a beautiful lining. If you are slim based on your personality, you have a color charts. This is a Georgette based. You can purchase. In this you have a lovely collections. And one more pattern. You have a, this is also variety. So this is a colorful chiffon, marble chiffon base. You have a covered. These are all the buttons, which is a layers. In this also you have a beautiful color charts. I want to show you one more color. Stretchable. In this you have a embroidering semi neck pattern. You have a stretchable, where is a stretchable and elastic base. Fitness, where you have a, this collections also you can purchase. Above all this you have a one more color, which is a plain. Very beautiful, very pretty. It looks like a uniformic colors. In school days, one piece also uniform I used to remember. In this color patterns, you have a peach color combination with the wrinkles as a crush base fabric. This is also one of the pattern. This is a lining which you got it. And one more pattern of this. Okay. This is a parallel, which is you got the body fitting top upper part. You have a upper part of this beautiful round neck designer, and you got a 2 layers. This is a 1 layer. This is a 2 layers. In this you got a beautiful, this is a body fitting hands. You can see one more pattern. I like this color. Camera, how is this color? See? Okay, so this is also beautiful khadi fabric I can see here. It looks very formal color, And in this you have a layers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the plates layers, and you have a small pearl ball it's given here, and this is also you have a knot. All these collections are very pretty and very demanded western wear resellers. If you want the stylish and digital print base, the lavender color with the beautiful pinky shade with the light pista green color combination. This is a design where you can see here. These are all design of varieties. There is a lining. This is a crepe satin frock. And I have a one more pattern. This is this pattern. See, crush fabric. This is a pattern. So this is a lovely collections. This pattern you got it, and beautiful layers, chocolate color with the dark black color. I have lot many varieties over here. These are all from 235 to I am showing you around 500 rupees of the different unique latest designs. And in the mannequin you can see the one more pattern, which is a light purple color with the white color combination with a very pretty color, and we have a floral printed. If I talk about the dark color contrasted, the red color with the sequence work, which is tradition come one piece all the Indians they wear. Next pattern, which is a sleeveless pattern with the belt, black color. You can see here, this is a pattern. And next pattern, which is light green with the dotted diamond stone, single stone, silver stone with the printed casual digital printed base, and the grey color with the embroidering thread work with the designer fabric, and one more with the navy blue with the top full sleeves of the plain with white color combination. These all varieties you can purchase from Kesaria Manufactures. Friends, from manufacturers you can buy these kind of bottom varieties also. And we do have a bottom like leggings, jeggings, or the nightwears on the bottom collections. And every color charts we have sizes also mentioned here. This is for the customers when they visit, they can view the size of the color charts of the individual product. So friends, hope you enjoyed these varieties of collections, and you can also do mixed purchase. And these varieties, if you enjoyed, go ahead for online purchase, video calling, and live visit also can do. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, what kind of collections you're looking for. I'll create for you, and you can have a talk with our online team based on your language comfortable. So hope you enjoyed these collections. If you are a western wear reseller, if you want to explore with many more collections, go ahead and to contact with the Kesaria Manufacturers. So next video will meet with new more collections and with business information. Till that, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye.